What is phonics? And why phonic is important? Phonics is a method of teaching reading and spelling that emphasizes the relationship between sounds and letters. It teaches individuals how to associate the sounds of spoken language with written letters or groups of letters. Here are a few reasons why phonics is commonly used in reading instruction. Decoding skills. Phonics helps children develop decoding skills, enabling them to sound out unfamiliar words by breaking them down into individual sounds and then blending those sounds together. This ability to decode words is essential for independent reading. Word recognition. Phonics instruction helps children recognize familiar words more quickly and accurately. By understanding the relationship between letters and sounds, they can quickly identify patterns and read words fluently. Spelling skills. Phonics also supports spelling proficiency. When children learn the phonetic patterns and rules, they can apply that knowledge to spell words accurately. Phonics instruction helps them understand the logical connections between sounds and letters, making it easier to spell words correctly. Vocabulary development. Phonics instruction promotes vocabulary growth by helping children understand the structure and meaning of words. By decoding new words, students can learn their pronunciation and associate them with their meanings, expanding their overall vocabulary. Reading comprehension. Proficient phonics skills contribute to better reading comprehension. When children can effortlessly decode words, they can focus more on understanding the meaning and context of the text. Phonics acts as a foundation for reading comprehension by facilitating word recognition. It's important to note that while phonics is an effective tool for teaching reading and spelling, it is typically part of a broader approach to literacy instruction. Other components, such as reading fluency, vocabulary development, and comprehension strategies, are also important for overall reading proficiency.